Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing what the function button does on a PSVR 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. While they don't give you many functions to choose from at the moment, here is how you can change what the function button does on your PSVR headset. From your PS5 dashboard, scroll to the top right of the screen and open Settings. In Settings, scroll down and select Accessories. In Accessories settings, scroll down and select PlayStation VR 2. In PSVR settings, scroll to the VR headset section, and you will see the function button assignment option. Select that. Now you can choose what you want to happen when the function button is pressed on your PSVR 2 headset. Right now I can only choose between View Surroundings and Mute Microphone. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PSVR 2 tips and tricks.